Are you planning your next trip and looking for ways to save money? We've got you covered with some travel hacks that will help you cut down on expenses and make your trip more affordable. Firstly, consider being flexible with your travel dates. Prices for flights and accommodations can vary greatly depending on the time of year and day of the week. If possible, try to travel during off-peak seasons or on weekdays to get the best deals. Keep an eye out for special promotions and discounts as well. Another way to save money is by booking in advance. As soon as you know your travel dates, start looking for flights and accommodations. The earlier you book, the higher the chances of finding cheaper prices. Research different websites and compare prices to ensure you're getting the best possible deal. When it comes to accommodations, consider options beyond traditional hotels. Look for guest houses, hostels, or vacation rentals that offer affordable rates. In addition, consider sharing accommodations with friends or family to split the costs. This not only saves money, but also adds a fun element to your trip. Transportation costs can also be a significant expense. Look for local transportation options like buses or trains, which are often more affordable than taxis or rental cars. Additionally, consider walking or biking to explore your destination, not only saving money, but also allowing you to experience the city in a unique way. To save money on meals, avoid eating at touristy restaurants. Instead, explore local markets, food stalls, or small eateries where you can find delicious and affordable meals. Additionally, consider packing some snacks or making your own meals to save even more. Lastly, be mindful of your spending on souvenirs and attractions. Look for free or low-cost activities in your destination, such as visiting parks, museums with free admission days, or taking advantage of walking tours. Remember, the best memories often come from experiences, not material possessions. By following these travel hacks, you can save money on your next trip without compromising on the quality of your experience. Happy travels!